Hi, I'm Alistair, one of the directors of Lazarus Training, and this video is about the fact that we are recruiting. Due to the increase in training courses that we're running, we're looking to recruit some casualty role players for our training teams. Now this is quite a strange role, it's quite a unique role, but it's one of the things we pride ourselves on in our training, and they're seen as an essential part of our training team. Now because we provide first aid and medical training, we ideally want someone with a background in pre-hospital care, but that's not essential. We want someone that's quite practical in their outlook. You'll have to help put the kit together, maintain the kit, but you've also got to be quite flexible. One minute you're packing the kit, the next minute you'll be rolling around on the floor, spurting fake blood all over people and helping them kind of get really engaged in the training. So probably a bit of a background in an artistic type of thing, maybe acting and so on, that would be really useful. Now our training takes people across the world. Most of it is done here in the UK, but there is the chance for travel, so that's important for anyone going for this role. And as you work as a team, you've got to be able to mix with a variety of people and work as part of a team. Now, if you are interested, drop us an email at admin@lazarustraining.co.uk and we can send you the full job description, which includes the details of responsibilities, of the salary, etc. And I should say that we are looking for this as a full-time role, but it is available part-time role or as a job share as well. Now we've got recruitment day later in August, so we look forward to hearing from you, but I suggest you get back to us as quickly as you can. So if you're interested in acting as one of our casualty role players, drop us an email, admin@lazarustraining.co.uk with a CV, cover letter, etc. and we look forward to hearing from you.